Hi, good afternoon. This is Jason with Majestec Premium Security Screens. We are here at the back of our customer's home today where we have installed some of our premium security window and door screens. On these three windows here, we have our fire escape window screens which open up in the event of emergency. From inside, you can press on this small quick release panic bar and the window pops right open. Yet from outside, you cannot open them or pry them open. This looks much like regular insect or window screen mesh. But if we take a close look, this is our 316 marine grade stainless steel security mesh, which cannot be cut with a knife or any sort of hand tools. It cannot be broken free from its frame. We have a patented fastening and tensioning system which fastens our frame into the frame around the entire perimeter. Also screws it laterally, which tensions or makes our mesh taut so it's not loose and wobbly. We've got three window screens on the back right here. On the back of their sliding glass door unit, they have four panels. The outer two are stationary, the inner two open French style. We've covered the entire thing with our 4-panel invisible sliding door unit. On a daily basis, they can open up the center two here to enter and leave the home, the residence. And on occasion, when they want to clean the outer panels with a simple release of this latching system, we can also slide these two over and we can now clean the entire glass panel on this stationary door. We'll put this back. We will latch these outer doors, and I will point out on the inner doors, all of our doors come with a multi-point locking system. We have an upper hook lock, we have a center hook lock, and we have a bottom hook lock, which latch the two doors together from top to bottom, preventing somebody from prying it open anywhere. We also have single hinge doors, French door options, single sliders, double sliders. This is a 4-panel slider. We have fixed windows and fire windows as well to secure any opening on your entire home. Now let's take a real quick look inside. Actually, from outside, we'll point out the privacy that our screens offer. You can see it's a little bit darker in the home there, a bit shaded, obstructs your view a little bit. But let's take a look from inside and we'll point out why we call these invisible security screens. This is the view that our customer enjoys from inside the home looking out. It's unobstructed. They're not looking through unsightly bars or grills. Yet this opening is completely secured by our stainless steel woven security mesh. Again, I'm Jason with Majestec Premium Security Screen Doors and Window Screens. We thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions, you can give us a call toll-free at 855-MAJESTEC or check us out on the web at majestecsocal.com. I'm sure we'll talk to you soon, and we look forward to it.